Go ahead.
Who's going first?
I'm
going first?
Yeah.
Okay. My name's Todd. I want to thank my nephew Kyle Buttenham for nominating me for the Ice Bucket Challenge. Everybody out there, go out and educate yourselves about ALS. Check out als.ca, make a donation. And for me, this is all about the late, great Lou Gehrig, who we really found out about ALS in the first place. So, go Yankees.
Oh.
Those are fighting words.
Not today, you know.
Thank you for the nomination, Nicole and Allison.
Thank you, Allison, for the nomination as well. And Ieva's doing a fine job of getting the ice into the buckets.
And do we get to say our nominations for now too?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we're doing it now. I'm going to nominate my very good friend Dr. Stephen Crawford for the challenge. Do it, Steve.
I'm going to nominate the Loughlin brothers, the Young/Van Geest brothers, and Mom and Grandma.
And I'm going to nominate Reg Stryuk, John Ryan, and Paul Zago. Okay, let's do it.
All right, here we go.
Oh my god. This is my, okay, fine, I'm keeping your bucket. It's gonna be the coldest one. I wanted to get Tom. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
That's really cold.